Josh Nyamoko, mujumbe go North Mugirango constituency, na ndo mubyale bwe constituency. Lero rili tuko lyo mwelio nyuma yo president taraicha. To expect aiche mambia Monday. So any advanced team ya aicha Kolwe region, the region security team. Waicha koralende the preparedness. Akitu yaliganiriangana asenga nchyo kumukaribisha president. President gagocha goichaga yachisa chia marogoba. Chinsa sanane. Ache launch a project ya Kuwait. Ya nyolirwa semia kai komine tatu. And as a constituency, the Watangiti School 24 when they go benefit from the program. Initially, the program is engagement for North Mugirango na Borabu. But when we sat with the former leadership, they go serve in those constituencies, we decided that then at the Atoshe Chibesechi, Chilichi and Bugitutu, Chilichi and West Mugirango. Otherwise, initially, the project is geared towards benefiting only those two constituencies. Because the project was mooted in 2008. Akero Umurayo Ngoro Wilfred Ombui, Wengi assistant minister, after the clashes. So the money was meant to do rehabilitation for schools between Nyanza and Rift Valley. That's how the project was designed. Because most of those schools were converted to IDP camps. School na Ikonge, school Chirevora Butira, na North Mugirango. So essentially that's why the president is coming. As a constituency in North Mugirango, we are getting about 700 million in form of aid, which will include equipping of the infrastructure of geometry, laboratory. So we have about 700, I think, million chigo injected to the schools. And the total cost for that project is 2.4 billion. 2.4 billion. Chico was spread across the county. So essentially that's why they are coming. There's a possibility and a very high possibility that the university nature is established in one of these corners. Elinde serve the country. And it's just a few stages. Because when we had a discussion with the president, he said he wanted to see. That's why Mwara to work around. Elinde tunyalikulirinana ki asayale stationed. Again, then I know one university Nekilina Kiabonyo University Vans 2013. It's a long time. So it has been a dream for these people. Again, to make sure that it's done. Yeah, so the word 2013 Pakabono Musikoli building a year Professor Nsongo. Was you the late governor of South Africa? That time, around 2015, 2016. So, and then to what another site, where we have allocated land to Gusii University. Title. So, the mission for this constituency and the people who might say constituency, very again take from 2013, 2017, then we don't stop anyone. So it's not something which started yesterday. Then the university in general was some tank. Like you know, with emotions, then is very unfortunate. So in we are just waiting so that we can go through the motions and Kawena na Kiriko.